All right, first I'm gonna do a statement. This website is created for the digital marketing tools course at the Hague University of Applied Science by me, Tim van der Plas. This company is not related to any entity businesses. All right, so Bicom, here's our website I've created the last weeks. Bicom is a dental company for dental hygiene and dental health. That's why I got this picture of a smiling woman with very white teeth. It has to show the visitor that we're a really nice and calming company who are really care about humans and the earth. That's why we also choose this color for the this main color. It's kind of blue greenish color. I saw that a lot of our competitors use a really blue color, and I really wanted to be different, so I put it more to a greenish side. I got a feature already on my homepage to enter your email address, so you can subscribe to our newsletter. I got a tab with products. It says which product we have, the price, and all the information about it. It says there's an About Us tab, telling who we are, what we stand for, and our vision, of course. I got a contact page where you can see our address and send us a message. I got a policy tab, how we work with our materials, our ideas about shipping, and you can find any info about failure of the products and how we handle that. And we got a tab for social media. So this is the logo I created, Bicom. We care of your well-being. Thank you very much for looking and listening to me explaining my website. All right, thank you.